First time getting my 360 waves cut by an Asian barber. This about to be a breeze. Woo! Hook me up. Oh man, what? Oh, you aggressive. Oh, you a barber barber. Oh, my waves. I didn't know I needed a booster seat. Oh, you a barber barber. Oh, you a barber barber. One of a kind. Fresh top of the line. I ain't never coming back here ever again. Listen, I know what you guys are thinking. Listen, it won't happen again, okay? It's different, okay? It's a different year, pandemic, all of that is subside, all right? Like, things have been forgotten about. I need my haircut, okay? I haven't got a haircut in a long time. Let's give it another round. Hey, listen to me. Listen, I understand. I know what you're saying, all right? But I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay this time.
Hey, man, I cut you last time, man. Welcome back to Washington. You don't trust no Asian partner? You don't trust no Asian partner? You still don't trust me?
360JEEZY. Where you get your beats?
Alright, you guys, scratch all this. Wait up, hold up. I got another story to tell. Talking about another episode of Barber School, okay? Like I said, I got plenty of stories. You like to hear them? You don't have a choice. You know what I'm saying? At this point, you don't have a choice. So let me tell you about the time that I almost got kicked out of barber school. What? Okay, listen. I used to cut this kid's hair, all right? The mom used to bring this kid in all the time, cut his hair, put designs in his hair. The cuts was always fire because he let me do what I want. You know what I'm saying? Now, days are going by, weeks are going by, months are going by. I'm steady cutting this client. Now, I'm posting them on social media, okay? Every time I do a different design, he getting posted on my Instagram. Why not? What you mean? You know what I'm saying? Gotta show off my work. Student barbers that's in school right now, I encourage you, post your work, okay? But this situation, okay, it kind of backfired on me. I'm gonna be honest, it kind of backfired on me in a way that it didn't help me out none, okay? Let me tell you, all right, posting this kid almost every week. He was getting his haircut. I was posting him. I got word that the dad was mad, okay, that I was cutting his son's hair, okay? I got word that the dad was mad that I was cutting his son's hair. And then the thing is, listen, let's see, the thing is, dude, like, really, I'm just trying to make some money right now. I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get the extra $3 in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? I need them tips, okay? You ain't gotta be mad at me for cutting your son's hair, bro. But from what I heard, the dad was on something. I don't want to say it. He used to be on stuff that don't have you all up in your right mind. So, to make a long story short, I used to hang out with this guy named Mario in school. He used to, you know what I mean, drop me off at school every now and then. I used to get rides from him. We was real tight in barber school. Shout out to Mario. So, it was this one time I was walking, we were walking, school was over, we were walking to the car, basically, and boom! This dude pops up out of nowhere, and this is what he said. Hey, man, hey, are you Jeezy? Hey, yeah, cause if you are, like, you're not about to finish school. You ain't finishing school. So meanwhile, I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? I'm like, what you mean I'm not finished school, bro? I go here and I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna walk here every day until I finish. You know what I'm saying? I ain't thinking nothing of it. What are you talking about, bro? He like, I heard you been cutting my son's hair. I mean, yeah, that's what I do. I'm a barber. You know what I mean? I just want to. That's who I am. That's what I do. Yeah. Well, I don't like you cut my son's hair. I don't like you cutting my son's hair. I don't like you cutting my son's hair. Now, at this time, he started pressing me. Like, he really started pressing me, talking about, I don't like you cutting my son's hair. I'm like, all right, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? So I started backing up into the street, and he started acting like he was, you know what I'm saying? He balled up his fist, acting like he was coming towards me. I was like, whoa. What's going on, bro? I'm not finna cut, you ain't finna cut my son hair. I said, bro, it's only so far I'ma back up. That's what I kept telling to. Bro, I got into the middle of the street. I said, it's only so far I'ma back up. Now I'm starting to back up. I'm backing up. And at this point, I look to my left, I look to my right. I'm in the middle of the street. I'm like, I ain't walking all the way across the street, bro. You not to back me down all the way across the street. We just gonna have to throw them hands there. You know what I'm saying? So I ended up stopping, watching him come forward, and next thing you know, Mario literally comes out of nowhere with a haymaker, bro. Mario comes out of nowhere with one of these, picks him up, slams him on his neck, bro. And I'm talking about face, all of that, bow, on the ground. Like, I ain't even have to do nothing. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even have to do nothing. I'm over here like, I told you, bro. You ain't want it, you don't want it. You don't want it. As if I did something. I ain't did nothing, bro. I ain't even did nothing. But I told you. So me and Mario hopped in the car, right? His blood was boiling. You could tell he was hot. He was mad. He was, you know what I'm saying? He peeled up. He got up out of there. We started driving. Next thing you know, he said, nah, man, I gotta end this. Turns the car around, goes back. I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, you already ended it. You already ended it. What's that talking about? But he insisted, nah, man, I gotta end it. So we ended up going back. Luckily, he wasn't there no more. So he ended up taking me home. Next day, I go to school. The police shows up. Now my heart is beating. I'm like, okay, I hope they ain't here for me. The police shows up. They talk to the instructor, and the same instructor that, you know what I'm saying, all on the screen. So he talks to him. The police leaves, the instructor pulls me into the office and was like, I need to know what's going on. They was here for you. I told them you wasn't here, cause I'm not like that. I told them you wasn't here, cause I got your back. At the end of the day, I got my students back. I wasn't gonna sit here and tell them that you was here. So, but you got to tell me something. What's going on? So I ended up telling them the whole full story on what went on. I told them the whole truth. I kept the part about Mario out of it because I didn't want him to get in trouble. I didn't talk about him being picked up, slammed. You know what I'm saying? I didn't go into detail about that. You know what I'm saying? I kept that part to myself. So he was basically telling me that he got to talk to the owner of the barber school and I might be getting kicked out. But the owner of the barber school, he was real cool with me. You know what I'm saying? Every time he came in, he was like, what up 360? What up 360? You know what I'm saying? The owner was real. That's all he would say to me. Basically, T had told the owner that this is not a threat. This is not something that's going to continue to happen. So, you know what I mean? We just going to squash it and we going to move on. You know what I'm saying? And the owner, he agreed with it and I was able to stay at school. But the thing is, to call the police on me, and you came up to the school, bro. You came up to the school trying to mess with me, and then go call the police. I ain't even touch you. Why you giving my name? I ain't even touch you. I ain't even the one that did it. I man, that escapes me to this day, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. That escapes me to this day. I don't understand how he called the police on me. So I had to call the police, you know what I'm saying? Because they still needed to hear my side of the story. And the police told me, yeah, I don't understand what was going on. It sounded weird from the jump. How do you go to somebody else's place of business and expect us to believe that you're innocent? You know what I'm saying? I can't word for word remember what she said, but she thought it was weird, but they said they still had to write it up. You know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna get thrown out anyway. So that's basically the moral of the story of what happened, man. I was about to get kicked out of barber school, okay? I listen, you guys, I probably wouldn't even have been here. Crazy. Now I ain't gonna sit up here. I ain't gonna sit up here and just... He thought I was messing with the mom. He thought I was. He thought I was messing with the mom. And that's all I gotta say about that.